Welcome to Something Out of Nothing. This episode we're going to be doing some Christmas decorations and things for your home. So let's get going. We're getting our tags ready to be painted, so we've cut them into about 8-inch lengths. We have sawed the corners off, drilled the holes, and now we're just getting ready to paint them different colors. And then after we paint them, we'll be putting on the stencils. And then after we put on the stencils, then we'll give them a light buff with wax, and that'll just set everything. We finished making our tags, our wooden tags, and they look really awesome. We finished them with buffing with wax, and so they have a little bit of a sheen to them, not much. And then we put on these pretty little bows. And so we're all ready for Christmas, and they look awesome. And you can make these so easy yourselves. Just get some bits of wood, some paint, some stencils, and away you go. And have fun, that's the most important thing. So we've taken an old frame and we've painted it all in Christmas colors and then sanded the edge to kind of make it look old. We have also stenciled this board with the cookies for Santa. Anyway, so we're going to be putting that all together, and it's going to be a tray for cookies and milk for Santa. So our Santa cookie tray is ready to go. It's so we finished it off with a sheet of plexi over top of it. It just makes it easy to clean up if there's little spills and stuff like that. But it's all ready for Santa and cookies and your kids. Just a 11 by 14 frame. Get some wood from Home Depot, some paint, a stencil, and away you go. Thank you for watching Something Out of Nothing. Today was a really fun day doing the Christmas decorations and the Santa tray. Just remember, you can make stuff yourself out of things lying around the house, and you can have fun for Christmas, DIY Christmas. Anyway, remember to watch, like, share, and especially subscribe, so you can get all our upcoming videos. And thanks, and have an awesome day, and ciao. Christmas and my tongue is getting okay, things that we made. Okay. Thank you for watching Something Out of Nothing. The presents are